contain from Sridhar Acharya formula if quadratic equation ax square bx plus c equal to 0 দ্বিঘাত সমীকরণ where a b c are real number বাস্তব সংখ্যা where a not equal to 0. Firstly, roots are real and unequal if b square minus 4ac discriminant or b nirupok is greater than 0. Problem 1, 3x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Here a equal to 3, a equal to 3, b is 1, c equal to minus 1. b square minus 4ac discriminant or nirupok, b equal to 1 whole square, my 4 is formula 4, a equal to 3 and c equal to minus 1. So 1 plus 12, 13 which is greater than 0. So roots অর্থাৎ বীজ are real and unequal. Next, second, roots are real and equal if b square minus 4ac nirupok or discriminant equal to 0. Problem, 4x square minus 4x plus 1 discriminant or nirupok b square minus 4ac where a equal to 4, a equal to 4, this is 4, b equal to minus 4, this is minus 4, c equal to 1, this is 1. b square minus 4ac, b equal to minus 4 whole square minus 4 formula 4, a equal to 4, a equal to 4 and c equal to 1. So it is 16 minus 16 equal to 0. So discriminant or nirupok equal to 0. So roots are real and equal. এর বীজগুলো হচ্ছে বাস্তব এবং সমান। থার্ড, দিস ইজ থার্ড, রুটস আর আনরিয়াল ইফ বি স্কোয়ার মাইনাস 4ac লেস দেন 0. প্রবলেম, x square plus x plus 1 here a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1. Discriminant or nirupok b square minus 4ac all are 1, so all are 1 and this is the 4 is formula 4, so 1 minus 4 minus c less than 0, so it has no real root অর্থাৎ এর কোনো বাস্তব বীজ নেই। এটা এখানেই শেষ করব।